Embarking on a journey through automotive history, we encounter the 1972 Buick Riviera, symbol of American luxury and design innovation. This classic vehicle continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike. Before we delve into its rich legacy, we invite you to join our community, where passion for classic automobiles thrives, and every story fuels our shared appreciation. The 1972 Buick Riviera belongs to the third generation of the model, produced from 1971 to 1973. This era introduced the iconic Boattail design, characterized by a tapering rear end reminiscent of vintage roadsters from the 1930s. The design, led by Jerry Hirschberg under the direction of Bill Mitchell, drew inspiration from the 1963 Corvette Stingray coupe, featuring a distinctive two-piece V-butted fastback rear window. While the styling was bold and avant-garde, it received mixed reactions from the public and critics alike. Under the hood, the 1972 Riviera was powered by Buick's 455 cubic inch, 7.5-liter V8 engine. Due to new EPA emissions regulations and a shift from SAE gross to SAE net power ratings, the engine's output was rated at 250 horsepower, with the Grand Sport GS package offering a slight increase. Despite the reduction in advertised power, the Riviera maintained respectable performance, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 8.1 seconds for the GS variant. The 1972 model featured subtle updates from its predecessor. An egg crate grille design replaced the previous version, and more substantial front bumpers were introduced to comply with upcoming 5 mph impact legislation. The distinctive louvers from the 1971 model's trunk lid were removed, resulting in a cleaner rear appearance. Inside, the Riviera offered a spacious and luxurious cabin, with options for high-quality materials and advanced features for its time. Today, the 1972 Buick Riviera is celebrated among classic car enthusiasts for its unique design and representation of early 1970s American automotive trends. The Boattail Riviera has become a sought-after collector's item, appreciated for its distinctive aesthetics. Current market values for well-preserved examples vary based on condition, originality, and optional features. As of recent assessments, prices can range from $20,000 for models in fair condition to over $50,000 for meticulously restored or well-maintained originals. The 1972 Buick Riviera stands as a testament to a bold era in automotive design, reflecting the ambition and creativity of its creators. Its legacy continues to influence car enthusiasts and designers, symbolizing a unique blend of performance and luxury. Engaging with this classic model offers a glimpse into a time when automotive innovation pushed the boundaries of conventional design. We encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with the 1972 Buick Riviera. By joining our community, you become part of a collective passion for classic automobiles.